We're there. Peace and love. We're there. Finally, to escape. So, let's go inside and see what it's like. G4S. Let's go inside and see what it's like. The camp. We got the house inside here. Yeah. Upstairs and mansion here.
Here they're gonna have malls and shopping centers out here and a hospital.
In this area?
Yeah.
Everything is there. Nice. It's not carrying forward. Certain stop is a minute, guys. First stop. There's a mall and this we don't want to miss the part. Yeah, people. So we're there, actually at the entrance of Mega, where the commercial area gonna be, where you're gonna have like the stores, the supermarket, hospitals and stuff like that, guys. So you know what I mean, as you can see, this is the spot right here, like a little garden spot, as you can see right here. This is it, guys. Mega Golf Estates. This is the entrance, family. This is one entrance. So as you guys can see, it's two entrances. So this entrance is for the commercial space. Then we're gonna go into the residential space now. There's another entrance. So let's go.
Okay, yeah, that's bigger. That's definitely bigger.
But the thing is,
yeah, 4 of that. That's an acre. 4 of it.
The thing is, it's the type of people that are moving in here. So this is a golf estate.
Right.
So
My kind of people.
if you don't have the, if you don't have the money, definitely that one that we passed is a good price. If you have the money,
this is where you
this
go.
one, you'll be dealing with the top people in the country in a place like this.
So basically,
but if you don't have the money, come together as a collective and buy a plot. Because let me tell you,
and hold it.
I tell everybody, you know, back years ago when I was just come, I had a chance to buy at Tattoo City. It was 7 million.
Years past.
Yeah, it's 29 million now.
Wow.
So
yeah, for sure, I saw it.
Yeah, I would have quadrupled my money if I had the money them time. If I could even have come together with guys.
Listen, guys, we already sold on it. Yeah, we already sold on it.
Yeah, family. So now we reach the residential area part. So it's 2 gates. One for the commercial and one for the residential. Let's go. G4S protected by G4S. Alright, family, let's go. But this is like everything I already cut out for you, so when you see everything road and everything set up and everything, the cabros. Some time, man. Yeah, man, see it there?
The houses are around the golf course.
This is the golf course.
So I think even David says some of the times he comes in.
It is underpriced.
They don't feel it.
One love Africa. Like, subscribe and share. Showing you guys some more. If you like the content, show some support. Not just watch, not just talk. But comment, subscribe if you can, and share. Okay, Bridget.
Ones around here, you have to say
What did you say? Yeah, family, so we're on the golf course estate and Bridget is here. She's excited. So Bridget, how you feel about this?
No, I am in love with it. It is amazing.
It's
yes.
amazing.
I love things green. Just the natural green, nature everywhere. I love it. I love it. I am considering purchasing a piece.
Okay.
When I return.
When you
back.
return, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, family, so you hear it? You hear? What our Jamaican sister says she's gonna do? She's gonna come back and get her plot. So it's up to you. It's up to you now, family. It's up to you to make that this.
The golf course comes from here, goes all the way up and around for the entire estate. The golf course just meanders through the entire estate. And then you see the type of houses that are being built. So before you build your house, you present them with a plan. And they have to pass that plan. So it keeps the quality of the survey.
Right.
Now one of the nice things is if you get a plot that is on the course, they have an easement. Right? So if you look down here, there's a little.
Let's go and check your own order. Sure.
Anything you want on the easement. Don't tell them that funny. You know what? You know what? Me come on me on.
What? 45,000 US.
How much is that?
45,000 US. Yeah, about that. Up to 50.
So 45,000 US.
So
I'll give you that. Yeah, that's 45,000.
On the golf course. Yeah, family. So we're there.
Whenever leading, you know where she has it, right? Because she not leading up. I'm normally me in front. All right, me I follow you, Eva. Yeah, watch the steps. Yeah. Go on, Eva. Don't go on. You go on. Me I come right next door you.
Avocado tree. Big avocado tree.
Yes, ma'am. Get my look up that line.
Yeah, man, look at that house over there, so. See that?
I will buy piece. Ramesh will buy piece. I'll buy Glenn to buy piece. Richard will buy piece. Actually, me.
Yeah.
Right now, two more.
Two plots.
Give me an acre. Where's the guy beside the book? I will buy piece right now. There's two guys who want to.
Listen, guys.
Look
you
at
don't need to sell me real estate. I already see it already.
Yeah, you're into real estate, Bridget, you know.
I don't see it already. I see the value.
You know, in the city vision.
Absolutely, absolutely. We're getting it. Come on now. We're all going to come together and we're going to get a piece of it.
Yeah.
That's it. You hear that, Eva? That's it.
Mango tree.
It's a done deal. And we have mango tree too. Lord, we're rich, sir. That's well.
Right up too.
Avocado is up on the tree now.
Oh, wow. I like the idea how they keep the trees.
Yeah.
You know, I like that. And even the fruit trees. That's right.
Yeah.
Comes from creation.
Yeah, it comes from creation. Yeah, it's in the universe.
So for all of those that make it here, remember that they did everything including curses so that we would
Never come back.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
So you pour libation to your own soul.
They came, they take it over, and do whatever they want. Isn't that
Beautiful.
beautiful?
Peaceful.
No, I'm just trying to tell you. This is a nice place to have a glass of wine. It's a glass of wine on a regular day. A glass of wine, and you just sit and just look out. Or maybe you need a book or two.
Yeah.
You just look, and that's it.
Yeah.
No YouTube, no social media.
Just relax.
Just a glass of wine and a book and just look out.
For all of those guys that said to you, well, if you don't like America, why don't you go back to Africa? Just say thanks.
Thank you. I did just that. I
Yeah,
went
this
back.
is yeah.
You a million.
It's amazing. Look at that view.
Yeah.
Show
Look at
my
the view.
people the
Little
view.
river down there. Like,
Look at the view, people. Look at the view. All right, Bridget, run the testimonial now. You know, what's the experience since you actually link up with Jam Tours?
Well, I will say, since I link up with John Tours, it just been a marvelous experience for me, because when I arrived here, I didn't know who to go to, and then once I link up with you, I'm seeing Africa, actually Kenya, that I've never seen it before. I'm just seeing things that I probably would have read about, and I'm grateful. You actually take us to places that like hidden gem. That's what we for me it's hidden gem, because if I wasn't with you, I wouldn't know this place. I wouldn't, you know, you show us, you give us options, you take us to places, you show us properties, you show us land. So I'm grateful for that, because now we know who's coming back home. We have someone that we can say, hey, you know what, I watched your video and I see you were showing some land, and I'm interested in purchasing a piece of land. So I think it's you know, when you're doing tours, it's vital that you show all of Africa, not just the entertainment part of Africa, but the investment opportunities of Africa that is available to those in the diaspora. And so today for me, I would say Jam Tour, out of 100% I give to you. You did a good job, and you act like a brother I never have, so I adapt you as my brother. Amazing personality, very respectful and very professional, and patient. I'm telling you, he's real patient. Patient, you know, he wait on you, and just super patient. Even though he may have his family or whatever, he still wait on you until we're happy. He take us around the town, the city, take us to places we can get food, where we can hang out, where we can party, where we can have fun. I mean, we just seen it all. So we're grateful for Jam Tour, Jam Tours Africa, that we got linked up with you here. I'm in awe of the experience. I'm just in awe of the experience. I'm tremendously grateful for that you connect with me and say, hey, listen, I will show you Africa. I will show you Kenya, the real Kenya. Not just what they're putting out there, but the real Kenya and all the possibilities that Kenya have to offer to us that's coming back home to the cradle of humanity, the place we call Zion.
Yeah, families, you hear it from, you know, from Bridget, who is touring around with Jam Tours here in Kenya. So, you know what I mean, you hear it for yourself. So go and link up with Jam Tours. Be inspired. We are here taking you, showing you unforgettable moments in Africa and places that the television won't show you. You're seeing it here live and uncut. Alright, family, like, share and comment on this video. You know, let me know your thoughts. You know what I mean? Let me know. So we are out. One love. Look at it. You could retire on a golf course estate in Kenya.
That's right.
Yeah, family. So we actually still inside the estate. This is what it looks like, family. This is what it looks like. We have the guys them playing golf right there. And you know, right here you have like a restaurant, a place where you can eat. It's not finished yet. They're actually still renovating it and stuff. But family, I just want to show you that this is the clubhouse where you can come and eat, chill, and relax. And we just want to show you that, family, while we go. So let's go, family. So out here, so it's like a place where you can actually chill and relax. Yeah. See a nice spot over there, so another tree. That one. First hole.
Yeah, I think the first one.
Wow. This is in nature. This is heaven. Oh, Jamaican side. Okay.
I could see my spot coming in. I like the idea that they have gym.
Yeah.
I do. So I can work out and get my muscle, boy. My muscle.
Yeah, family. So.
Oh, this is a crazy. Come here. I can't divorce here. I change my mind. I said, just make it the money, man. Sure. Just give me my little bit.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is on the golf course estate, where you could have a view like this all day, every day, and inherit it down to your children, family. This is it. IGAA. Old age will gonna catch you cute. Yeah, family, so we're actually gonna leave the golf estate now. But the next time we're coming back, we hope we'll be taking you, and we hope we will be building.
Since all my life, for 5 years, 50 years. I want a boy there. I want rubbish. I want him there. I want him there.
Yeah, family, so we there, we are gonna leave. And the sun is going down.
It's a good thing, girl. It's really nice. I would love to see us all in the same piece of land.
Same piece of land building.
Yes, I think.
Growing old together.
Yes, absolutely. And we each of our children and our grandchildren come by and they play. It's a beautiful thing.
All right, family, let's go. Where's the reggae flavors? One Love Africa.
One Love Africa.
Yeah.
What should I say now? Make sure you tune in.
Yeah.
One Love Africa. And tune into Jam Tour right here in Africa.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of content coming out, and Jam Tour will have a lot of things showing you guys. And big up, much love, enough respect. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, because you don't have to do nothing more than just like and subscribe,
and
or
share.
just share the video. Just show a little support for what we're doing.
Yeah.
If you like what we're doing, show love. If you do not like what we're doing, leave your comments the same way. Let we see that you see what we're doing, because we just need a little motivation. You understand? So show us that this makes sense, and if it doesn't,
show us that it's inspiring.
very inspiring.
All right, family, let's go. One love, God bless. We are out.